We are complete. I got it going. Fuck that shit. Oh man. I got her in there. You can't see because it's dark as shit, but there it is. Sexy as fuck. Clean ass start. Sounds fucking amazing. Only thing I gotta fix now is this fan pulley, because when you start it up you can hear it. Let me go ahead and show you. I don't even know where to put this. Let me walk around the car 3 times and then we'll figure out something. Let me move this shit. I'm gonna take my my old starter. I'm keeping it because it has a brand new starter solenoid on it. I'm gonna go ahead and just keep that. And when I go to Virginia in April, I'm gonna have it rebuilt, so I'll have a spare. But let me go ahead and hop in here. I'm dragging a chair if you're wondering what that sound is. Clean start. I don't want to run it too long, it'll start smelling really bad here. You can hear that pulley real bad. Missed that. Oh, I missed that sound. Project 240 is now finished. She's now drivable again. I'm going to get her off jack stands and get her back on the ground. Might take her for a spin tomorrow, get some gas in her. I haven't put any gas in it yet, it's about empty. It needs cleaned. I'll warm her up tomorrow, clean it up and get it all nice and shiny. But that's that. I guess we'll just have to wait for the next project to come along. Deuces.